Hello and welcome to the MailAway demonstration on adding custom fields. A custom field is any extra information or data held on the customers other than the email address, for example name or their interests. By setting up a custom field within your subscriber list, you can easily gather information about your subscribers, which will help you target more effectively and send more relevant emails by then being able to create segments. Custom fields can be added when uploading subscribers from a file, providing the additional data is held within the CSV file, which is a form of Excel file. This is a process I'll show you now. If you have not already, then I suggest you watch our Managing Subscribers demonstration first for a slower in-depth of how to upload subscribers. So first of all, we would click on the List and Subscribers tab. Now I've got a list in here specifically for this example called Custom Fields Example. I'm going to choose that list. There's no one in there at the moment. Add the first subscribers to this list. I'm going to import from a file and tick the box to say that it's okay that you confirm that you are within all of our rules and regulations. Choose the file, that's my demonstration, and import the file. On import, the program will pull across any additional data from your CSV file. So this is just the columns within your Excel document. You can see I have a number of fields within here. Now I will add these custom fields to MailAway, and we call this mapping your custom fields. And when we do this, this is the fields within the Excel document or the CSV file, and then these are the fields within MailAway. So it's saying, do I want to skip this column? I'm going to say no. I want to create a new text field for the custom field first name. So I'll just add name in there. This one is last name. And then email address it recognizes. And I'm also going to add the location of the workshop. So this is, as an example, people who are attending or have attended or have not attended a workshop for MailAway. I'm also going to add this date one in here, which would be in the date of the actual workshop. And for this, I'm going to have a date field, because this would actually allow me to create auto-response emails based on this date criteria if I wanted to at a later date. So by an auto-response, it's an email that would go automatically around that date, either before, after, or on. So I click next, and it's going to import those email addresses. You can see 132 were added. This one, there's an error in there. It's got 2 @ signs by mistake. I don't know what that email address should be, so I'm going to ignore it and just go through to where it tells me they're all added. You can see now that those extra custom fields have been added over here, and we've got the option to remove subscribers, segment them, and a few other options there to deal with our list. If I want to see any of those custom fields that have been added, I could just click on one of the clients over here, or the names over here, and all of their details would come up on their individual screen. If you are going to add custom fields after this initial upload, we will need to go in to edit the subscriber list after that upload. So I'm going to show you how to do this now. So if I just click back onto List and Subscribers to give you a full example, again you would go into the list that you want to edit, and you would choose custom fields over here on the right hand side. In here you will see any custom fields that have already been added, so these are the ones that I updated when we just uploaded that list. Now I want to add a new custom field, which is going to be whether that person attends or not. So I'm going to call it attend, and I'm going to make this only a multiple option. They can only select one, so either they do attend or they don't attend, and that will make it easier for me to create a segment later on. You can see there that you can have multiple options and a number of different options there. So this is going to be a yes, they did attend, and this is going to be a no, they didn't attend. Add the option. Add the custom field. If we were going to make these fields visible in a form of a preference center, we would tick to say the field could be visible to recipients. I'll explain preference centers in another demonstration, so be sure to have a look at that one too. So now we're just going to add the custom field, and that's done. We can edit the name of the custom fields here at any time just by clicking the edit down the bottom. Oh, there we go. And we can remove any we don't want as well by doing that also. If we need to change the data type, for example from text to date, we need to delete that whole custom field unfortunately and re-add it in with the right data type in there. If I just show you this, it doesn't give you the option to change the data type. So that's all it takes to add custom fields to your list. It's great to hold extra information on your recipients, but it's more importantly that you use it once you have it in there. So now the real reason for adding these is to allow for segmentation. So please watch that next video. Thank you.